Yes, something happened few weeks ago, and the Ghanaians they went to the street protesting, saying that Nigerians must go, Igbos must go, and some of them came out to the streets with many options and many reasons why they want Nigerians and Igbos in particular to go. Some started by saying the Nigerian Igbo man want to create a kingdom in Ghana. And this is a pure lie. He's an Igbo guy who represents his people the way Igbos do it. We have Igbo Union everywhere, and we have presidents of Igbo unions worldwide. And some of them, they answer Eze and whatever. So this man never even said that he's a king of Ghana. He said that he's a king of Igbo people in Ghana. And many Ghanaians went gaga. Even most of them that lives in abroad, even some of my colleagues that are working with me, Ghanaians, they are in support of what their people did to chase the Igbos away from Ghana. Why they reside in Europe, they have shops, they have everything, they have nationality. Some of them don't even have papers, but they living in another man's country, doing business, doing things both legal and illegal. That is not where I'm going. There is this Ghana guy. His channel is His Facts. It's a Ghanaian guy. They are very great guys. They are thinking guys. They are the real Africans. Do you get what I'm saying? And these guys, I respect them so much. If you have not followed them, I'm an Igbo man. If you have not followed His Facts, it's a Ghanaian. Go and follow them because they are very objective in their reasoning. I think there are two. Or maybe he was co-hosting with some other person. But His Facts is a very good gentleman. Let us dive in directly into what the discussion of the day is. You see, so this group, maybe a group in Ghana, under government, they got an injunction that foreigners, mostly Nigerians, directly Igbos, that they should not own a shop, a retail shop, or even own anything like opening a shop in Ghana that is purely for Ghanaians. Do you understand? They gave condition that you must have 1 million, did they say $1 million business, and you must hire 20 Ghanaians before you can operate as a foreigner. That was what their options were. So, and this His Facts, they were debating and narrating what is going on in Ghana. In fact, they even right now, they are against these their options and even this their verdict. Do you understand? So, should I call it a xenophobia, or should I call it racism? Should I even call it a hatred or envy or jealous? Which one should I call it? Which one will I call it? I don't know the one to call it. You see what Ghanaians are doing? It is purely against humanity. It is purely against their own fellow black people. Look at Ghana, look at Nigeria. There is nowhere in the world you segregate and select people who will own a shop or who will not own a shop. Even in abroad where we live, even the so-called white people that we say that they are bad, white people will never say something like this. It will never come out from their mouth. But here we are, Nigeria, Ghana, Togo. We segregate and reject ourselves. Also in South Africa, South Africans are asking their fellow black, those that saved them during the apartheid, to leave their country and go back to their own country, to go and develop their own country. You understand? So it is very simple. Ghanaians that are living in Germany, Ghanaians are living in Holland, Ghanaians living in Belgium, France, Luxembourg, they are all owning shops, African shops, businesses everywhere. I mean Ghanaians. And here are Ghanaians in Ghana chasing Nigerians away. Why their own brothers and sisters? I know how many Ghanaians that own a shop in Holland, in Amsterdam. I know how many that owns a shop in Antwerpen. The same way in France, the same way in Germany. And here they are, Ghanaians, chasing Nigerians away. What was some of their points? They mentioned that Nigerians sell cheaper than them. Nigerians in 5 years that they're going to take over Ghana business. Is it not when you have money, you invest your money? The Igbos, they are the ones in Ghana selling spare parts. They are the ones into pharmaceuticals. They are the ones into most of the things that they claim Nigerians are doing. Hardly you see how someone owning a shop, or even Yoruba man. Even though a Yoruba man owns a shop, he has what he sells. Now, Igbos are the owner of spare parts all over Africa. Nobody can compete with them, or even essential commodities. But Ghanaians, not all of them, like this Ehis Fats, I respect them so much. This is my first time coming across them. I am not praising them because they are supporting, they against what their people are doing. I'm supporting them because they are reasonable. You know, they are complete gentlemen, and they are the real Africans. If Ghanaians operate in this way, I suggest, according to his fast, that those living in abroad will be deported back to Ghana. Because as I speak to you, many Ghanaians have shops in Amsterdam. Many have in Antwerp. Many have in France, Luxembourg. Just mention in America, in Britain, they have shops. And there are no different tax of Ghanaians will pay 20 pounds and a British man will pay £5. It is never done like that. Tax is a unanimous thing. If you own a shop, you pay the same tax the other person pays. Nobody segregates about tax. Tax is used to fix the environment. Do you get the point? So, but here you see Ghanaians and even South Africans doing all this shit to their people, doing it to their fellow Africans. And this brought me to the case where people, those who are shouting one united Africa. Exactly what Ibrahim Traore has been trying to do to liberate and make Africa, free from the imperialists or the colonial masters. But here, Ghana is counteracting and rejecting that option. That is not a good option. Ghana is saying that Ibrahim Traore is not right in what he's doing. South Africa is the same way, saying that Ibrahim Traore is not doing the right thing. That's exactly what the interpretation means. If Ghana should be segregating against Nigerians, doing business, paying tax, developing their environment, hiring and, recruiting their citizens into their businesses, that is exactly what they are saying. And let me remind them, I'm an Igbo man. Exactly what they are doing shall be replicated to them. There is no way. We don't forgive. When you attack us, we surely must attack you back. We will never forgive you. Igbos don't forget. They don't forgive. Because Ghanaians are doing it openly, and they are doing it with their full chests. I don't know if their government is supporting them, but according to injunction they got, that no one, no foreigner, no Nigerians, no Igbos must own a shop or even a retail shop. Chinese own a retail shops. Chinese own shops. Americans are there. Every other countries are there. But they specifically said Nigerians and Igbos must not own a shop. Have you seen that? Come to Nigeria and see. Even Chinese have a kiosk. Chinese have shops. They have everything. Igbos have shops in China. Yes, Igbos have malls where they have shops and they sell even clothing made from China. They even sell spare parts in China. As I'm speaking to you, but here are Ghanaians shouting and ranting because of jealous and envy. Abike Dabere, chairman of Nigerians in diaspora, are you blind? Are you sleeping? Can you not see what is happening to Nigeria? Can't you see that your duties are being, is under contention? Can't you see that you being a chairman in diaspora, also in Ghana, you are not doing your job? Can you not see what is happening to your fellow Nigerians? Is it because they are Igbos? Yes, maybe because they are Igbos. It is not important. But the only thing I'm going to tell you, it shall come to everybody. It shall touch everyone. Don't play. It shall touch you and touch everyone that is involved. Even Ghanaians, they're going to collect. See you soon.